This is Heatmap chart. Using Heatmap, it is very easy to determine which particular date and country has the highest values by just looking at the darker color. Using the source data, you will be looking at a very large data and it's not easy to have a quick analysis. Heatmap is one way of visualizing time series data aside from line chart and bar chart, which we learned from previous videos. Wanna know how to create heatmap chart? Then stay tuned. Our data is related to number of deaths related to coronavirus or COVID-19. It is basically presented by country. Our time series data starts with January 22 and ends with April 16. On the second worksheet, we copied data of selected countries. Going back to original data, China is presented by provinces. We derived numbers for China by obtaining its subtotal. That subtotal was copied on the second worksheet. Click on cell B2, go to View tab, click the down arrow of Fresh Panes, and it will show three options. Select the first option. As you move to the right, you can still see the names of the countries. Let's go back to the start of the data. Select all the values. Go to Home tab. Pointing your mouse to Conditional Formatting will show brief description of Conditional Formatting. Click the down arrow, go to Color Scales. The second option means that the highest value will be shaded in red while the smallest value will have a green color. Click the second option. When you go to the very beginning, you observe that countries with zero reported death are in green colors, while China, which has reported deaths, are shaded in yellow color. Going to the right, you will see that as the numbers increase, the color changes to light red to darker red. You can also change the colors to be used in the heat map. Simply select the data range, go again to Conditional Formatting, then click the Manage Rules. Click the Edit rule. You will see that you are using three color scale as format style, with green assigned to minimum value, yellow to midpoint, and red for the maximum value. To have more brighter colors in our chart, let's change color of minimum value at yellow. Midpoint will be assigned with orange color, while maximum value will be represented by a darker red. Click OK. Click Apply, then OK. Now our chart has brighter colors. Let's put some borders to our chart. Select the data range again. Right-click the mouse, select Format Cells. A dialog box will emerge. Go to Border tab, choose a darker color line, then apply it to all sides of a cell. Click OK. Now our chart has borders. To make our chart more visually attractive, we will change the color of borders. Select the data range again. Right-click the mouse. Select Format Cells. Make sure you are in the Border tab. Under Color, select White color. Click the inside borders and also the right border. Click OK when done. Let's make more modification to our chart. Select the header, country, region, and the names of countries. Under Home tab, change the fill color into darker blue. Change also the font color into white. Select all the dates. Do the same by changing the fill color and font color. Now it looks better. It's time to analyze the data. This is the data of number of deaths related to coronavirus. The outbreak was reportedly started in China. So in the earlier days in our chart, China has the darker color of orange. On March 19 report, Italy surpassed China to have the highest number of deaths. Iran is on the third rank. By the end of March, Italy still has the highest number, but this time Spain ranks the second and France is on the third rank. The situation changed on April 11. USA now has the highest number of deaths, followed by Italy and Spain. That situation did not change on April 16. That's it. This is a very nice way of visualizing a time series data. Like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification button for more updates. To know more about time series data visualization, click these end screens. Thanks for watching.